Hello, good morning to everyone. In last class, we learned some important theorems of the circle. First is if a line, first the perpendicular, theorem number 10.3, the perpendicular from through the center of the circle. If we take the perpendicular from the center of the circle is always bisect the chord. Always bisect. If OD is perpendicular on AB, then AD equal to BD always. Second, next is if a line pass through the center, and bisect. If AD line is through the center and it is bisect the chord, then always this angle is always 90 degree. So always remember, the perpendicular from the center is always bisect the chord. And next is a line through the center to bisect the chord is always perpendicular of the chord. And next we learn from the 1 point how many circle can pass through? Infinite. From the 2 point, infinite. And from 3 non-collinear points, only one circle can pass through. Now question number 10.3, exercise 10.3, first question. Draw different pair of circles. We have to draw the different pair of circles. Suppose this one pair, and it is one pair. Draw different pair of circles. How many points does each pair have in common? Okay, and we have to find that when we draw a pair of circles, how many points are common in their two pair? 0 point. Common mean like this one, a point which is included in both circles. So any point is common in their circle? No. 0 point is common. Can we draw like this one also two circle? Yes. Yes, like this one also we can draw. And can you draw like this one? Yes. And these are touches outside. Or understand or not? And one more pair we can draw like this one, and this one. So how many points are common? They are cut here. So this point is in both circles. This point is also in both circles. So we have to find that how many points does each pair have common. So right? There is no common point. And here how many points? Common only one, because they are touch outside only at single point. So right? There is only one common point. One point in it is first part, second part, and it is third part in pair of circles. And maybe some student make like this one. How many points are common? One is this one circle, and second circle is, because I am making here one circle, this one big, and second is it is. So inside. So how many circle are common here? Here how many points also common is there? Only 1 point. Either you will make this one. And here how many common points? So right, there is 2 common point. There are 2 common points in pair of circles. So we draw the different pair of circles. So you will draw the different pair of circle in copy and note down it. Okay. And he asking what is the maximum number of common point? Any other case? Can you draw the circles? Any other case? Yes. Some will say, sir, can we draw like this one? Like this one and this one. Okay. Here is only 2. Any other case? This one and this one. Here is only 2. So he is asking what is the maximum number of common points. So you will write the maximum number of common point is how much? So common point are 0, 1 and 2. So what is the maximum number? 2. So 2 common points are maximum in pair of a circle. So very simple it is. this one. Note down. Okay. Next. Next is question number 2. Question number 2. Suppose you are given a circle. Yes. Question number 2. Suppose you are given a circle and give a construction to find its center. Yes. It is a given a circle and we don't know where its center. We don't know where is the center of the circle. To find, how will you find its center? If any circle is given and you have to find its center and we don't know where is center, so we have to find the center. So how will you find the center? To write its construction. So we have to write its construction. This one we will use pen, we will use pencil and compass. Make these all circles with compass. Okay. It is not possible to draw on this one, and I will send you some videos also in which compass will be used. Okay. So this one. So how to find the center of this circle? So how will you find? Give a construction. So right, we have to write its step. So first is we will write, take a circle. First step, we take a circle. Let a circle is given. Second, we want to find its center. So center, how will you find? So we will take its any two chord. Same question we already done. Which one? Do you remember? From the 3 non-collinear points, only one circle can pass. Same as it is. So take any two chord like this one. Okay. So right. Take any. It is chord A. It is AB chord. It is chord C and D. Take any two chords AB and CD of a circle. Next is, now after this one what we will take? Now we will take the perpendicular bisector of AB. Okay, and perpendicular bisector AB is what? AB is like a line. Yes, AB is a line, and we know perpendicular bisector of AB line. How will you take? Open the compass always more than half. Open the compass more than half. Suppose it is compass more than half, like this one, and draw an arc like this one. Draw an arc, and one is downside, same as it is, without changing the compass. Put the pointer on B and this one and this. So it is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Same as it is, we take the perpendicular bisector of CD. So right, take the perpendicular bisector of AB. So perpendicular bisector of AB, suppose this one, open, put the pointer on B and open compass more than half, this one, and one is this one, and now put pointer on A like this one and like this, and join it is. Understand it? Same as it. Take the perpendicular bisector of AB and CD also. Which one? CD. Now we will take the perpendicular bisector of CD. Open the compass more than half. Put pointer on C and open more than half and draw an arc. Suppose it is arc and one is downside. Same as it is. Now put the pointer on D and this one. And now and join this one. And where these two perpendicular bisect each other, where they are cut? At this point. So it is the center of a circle. It is center of circle. So you can write the intersection point. So you can write the perpendicular bisector of AB and CD intersect each other at point O, and at point O, where these are cut, it is the, so right, which is center of circle. So it is the center of circle. Understand it? Very simple. Understand or not? Take any two chord. Some student we will say, sir, we will take these two chord. It is one chord A and B, and we will some other take like this one. Sir, it is AB is also chord, BC also chord. These you can take this one also. Both are simple. Any two chords you can take. Okay. If you take AB and BC, so it means look at same question we will do. It means these three are non-collinear point A, B, and C, and we want to find. Suppose it is not circle, it is circle. Suppose. Okay. Find its center. How will you find? Take the perpendicular bisector of AB, this one and this one. AB perpendicular bisector, same as it is perpendicular bisector of BC and BC. And where these are cut, it is the center of a circle. So only one thing is, remember, how will you find the center of the circle? Take any two chord of the circle, take their perpendicular bisector, and where the perpendicular bisector each other, it is the center of the circles. Understand it? So note down it and do it with compass and pencil. Okay? Don't draw by roughly. Okay? Question number 3. What is given if two chords, if two circles intersect at 2 points. Before 5 minutes we already learned. Maybe two circles intersect at 2 points. Maybe they never cut each other. Maybe they touch each other at 1 point. If two circles intersect at 2 points, then prove that their center lie on the perpendicular, on the perpendicular bisector of the chord. Look at, prove that if two circles intersect at 2 points, suppose any two circles, it is one's first circle, it is second circle. If these two circles intersect at 2 points, prove that their center, suppose it is the O is the center of first circle and second is O dash. O dash is circle of the center of second circle. Prove that their center lies on, where their center lies on the perpendicular bisector of the chord. And tell me, you can write proof. First, yes, it is where these two circles are intersecting each other at AB. These are 2 points. So write, let two circles intersect each other at A and B. And if you can observe, AB is what? If when you join AB is the chord of which one circle? AB is the chord of both circles. Yes? Suppose like this one, we will rub this one. First circle, so it means AB is the chord of a circle whose center is O. And this one, same as it is. if we rub this one, so it means it is the chord of this one. So it means AB is the common chord of both circle. You can write, and AB is common chord of both circles whose centers are O and O dash. Next, now what we want to prove that? देखो, look at, prove that their center lies on the perpendicular bisector. So it means their center where lie on the perpendicular bisector of chord. So it means, so we will take the perpendicular bisector of AB and we will show that this perpendicular bisector of AB is passed through O and O dash. Then if perpendicular bisector pass through O and O dash, then you can say that the center lies on this perpendicular. Yes. So we want to prove that. So look at first. So tell me first. Suppose we are taking this one is perpendicular bisector. Any circle, suppose O is a center, and we know it is a chord AB, and we know if we take its perpendicular bisector, we already proved that in 10.3 theorems, perpendicular bisector is always passed through center. Understand or not? You can write. So first case, here will be two cases we will discuss. First we take a circle O whose center is O and chord is AB. So write a circle whose center O and chord AB. Chord AB. Understand or not? And we have to prove that center lies on perpendicular bisector. Suppose it is a perpendicular bisector. If we take its perpendicular bisector, we know theorem 10.3. Perpendicular bisector is always passed through the center. Okay? Because what is given? Already given in question. The center lies on perpendicular bisector. So we have to take the perpendicular bisector of this chord. To write, you can write and chord AB. Understand or not? You can write perpendicular bisector of AB will pass through O, because theorems we already know perpendicular bisector always pass through the center. Next, same as it is. Now a circle, now second circle, a circle whose center O dash and chord AB. AB is chord of this one also, same as it is. If it is O dash and if we take its perpendicular bisector is always, because AB is a common chord. If we will take its perpendicular bisector, this is the point, and AB is this one. So both will pass through the center. So you can write O dash center and chord AB. So you can write perpendicular bisector of AB will pass through O dash. If we take its perpendicular bisector, it is also pass through O dash, because we know in any circle perpendicular bisector of chord always pass through center. This theorem we already proved it. So it means now you can say that perpendicular bisector pass through O dash also, and perpendicular bisector through O dash. So it means this is also pass through the O. Understand or not? So therefore we can, to for equation 2 it is, and it is equation 1. So we can say that we can say that from equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, we can say that their center lies on perpendicular bisector. Center lies on perpendicular bisector. Understand? Or very simple it is, if you will look at like this one, so like this one. If one circle is given, we know AB, it is AB given. Okay, AB. Look at, very simple. If we know, if we take the perpendicular bisector of chord, if we take its perpendicular bisector, and perpendicular bisector is always pass through center, so it means it is pass through O. And same as it is, this is the chord of another circle also, and it is also again perpendicular. It means it is also pass through O dash also. It means both center lies on their perpendicular bisector. So our 10.3 is also finished. In next class we will start our 10.4 and 10.5 is remain. Understand it? So thank you everyone. Have a nice day and do it. And listen also, I gave to you a assignment on Khan Academy. This one also. Please finish your assignment on this one. You will provide it. You will give your marks. Okay, of the assignment. Thank you everyone.